वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आज हम बताएंगे एसएसडी डाटा रिकवरी ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन कोर्स। वी हैव अ एसएसडी डाटा रिकवरी ऑनलाइन कोर्स plus we have a SSD recovery case studies also. So these are the case studies where we have collections of case what we have repaired. If you want to buy all the case studies in a group, then you can purchase it. In these case studies we have shown some different cases what we have solved, and we have explained about repairing firmware update, data copy through the MRT or PC3000. So we have a case study collections. So we have a SSD repair and case studies collection. We are giving short. We have some topics here. That is a normal recovery. Some SSD are that we just connect in MRT or RStudio. It will be work done. Some case like this. Some are we have to load LDR. We have to repair in MRT and all those things. We have done these cases here. That is a firmware related issues. It has a minute and English or Hindi. It has been showing. So these are the SSD firmware case studies through the MRT or PC3000. Some cases are for the PCB fault finding also we have. So we have repaired that and we have recovered the data through the PCB repairing. And some SSD repair case studies through the software also. These today only we have had these softwares SSD case studies, and more additional case studies are in the progress that will add on when we go. If you want to buy these SSD case studies, you can buy it. I am showing some samples of SSD what we have in this class. So these are Hikvision SSD not open. We have done data not shown, open in OS, detect in device manager, in MRT tool, recover the data. This is a step-by-step process how we recover the data. Second, by shorting, we have upload a QLC not support chip, identify short or firmware Hindi. Second, SSD C100 controller recovery. Step-by-step videos are there. Consistent SanDisk fake size SSD size not shown, and MRT we have recovered. The two videos are there. Then SSD Kingston 128GB not detect, MRT not, PC3000 LDR load work in MRT also not work, it work in PC3000. How we recover, that is a video. And SSD light on to 20 MB zones PC3000 through IDE data recovery. This is done with the IDE connection, not a SATA connection. So this is also with the help of PC3000 we have recovered. So SSD having a power issue, repair through the donor SSD. Then SSD ADATA no power case studies, no power, what the power to become, how many consumption, what is an FLR camera zones, this detail are in these videos. Then Yester without any tools, MRT PC3000 how we recover. 4.2 EVM is not detecting, we have done through the NAND backup. Through any other tool, that is also here it is shown, easy tool. We have done with the easy tool recover the NAND chip. Second, we repair this same EVM SSD, we repair and it is now detecting coming. So these are the step by step. So some more cases going on. So to purchase this case study we have a special offer up to December, you can buy it. It is only 5000 rupees for SSD case study up to 31 December 2024. You can buy the courses also, that is a basic and logical, firmware repair, PCB fault and SSD firmware, or you can take only the firmware collection case studies. So it depend on you, you can take it. Okay. So this is a case study. I am showing some basic videos also what we have a case studies, how we have make it. So these are the some case studies. Okay. So these are the step by step process how we are recover. So you can check, explanation is there in English.
pH.
I am running it and I am showing it how we have recovered.
LDR load, the drive has been.
This is one video. This is a PCB related issues. So that is also here are there. This is a SATA power related issues. So we have done the power. We have explained this power stage in this video. That is a power related
300
issues.
to 500 short with disable.
This all video you will get in the case studies. Okay. So if you want to buy the case studies further in a year, if any case studies come, we will upload it. So you can buy these case studies. If you want to buy it, contact us before 31 December 2024. We will share you the videos. Okay. And if any queries about the videos, we can help you. We have a team. We have a lots of data recovery work here. In SSD we are doing data recovery. If you have a case of hard disk and data recovery or NVMe, you can contact us. And also if you want to learn online course of our MRT PC3000, we are giving online advanced level course. If you want more detail, you can contact us. Thank you. Okay.